Honestly, there's a ton of money around if you want to just focus, okay? 97% of people can't focus on one thing without getting distracted, so just go and do the work, guys. Let me show you the strategy. Now, first of all, we're going to use this website. This website is called Warrior Plus, okay? And it's an automation website with a lot of affiliate products in it. And you don't have to do a lot of work. You just have to find the traffic for a lot of these offers. And trust me, guys, there can be a lot of money in this method. So let me just tell you what I think. When you get over to Warrior Plus, first thing that you have to do, of course, is to sign up for free. This is a free account, no made subscriptions, no money investment, nothing. Just username, password, email address, and you will have your account to start with. Now, as soon as you log in inside, this is going to be pretty much self-intuitive, okay? You won't have a hard time to find the products. You can go on affiliate and you can go on the offers here. So just click on the offers and immediately you will get a lot of these offers which are good to take. But there are a few like categories here such as conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and refund rate. Okay, so you have to watch out for these. For example, this one is the most important one. So this is a refund rate and you want to target as low as possible with this one because that means that people can just like return the product and you will lose the money you have made. So that's the thing that you want to avoid. Okay, search for the lowest amount because people are not gonna return the stuff. So for example, you can see this one's 6%. This is already bad. Okay, I suggest that you don't take these offers which have like more than 5. Maybe even 5 is not good, but at least 4, and that's gonna be good enough. But you can see that you have like these 2%, 1%, 0% is the best one, of course. And also one more thing which is good is the conversion rate. So for this one, you want to aim as high as possible. Okay, so this means out of how many people, how many percent are actually gonna buy this one, okay? But this one is like good to be over maybe 6 or 7, maybe over 7%, and that's gonna be good. But you can see that, for example, this one has 20%, this one has 13%, this one has 14%, 8% is also good. And for example, let's just stick with this. This is like ebook cash, and ebook cash is some software which is gonna help you to like make ebooks and to sell those. Now you can just click on this view JV page and you will be immediately redirected to the page where this ebook cash is selling. So this is gonna allow people to make an ebook, okay, and it's gonna be for free once they buy it, okay? So you can see 350 quality ebooks with full PLR. So this means that they can resell the books, they can copy them, they can do whatever they want. They can make money with these books. PLR stands for private label rights, and MRR rights are like master resale rights, okay? So you can just resell these. You can just get a lot of money with it. So if you want to start with this offer and you want to make money with this, first thing you want to do is to click on request approval. Now this person who made this, he needs to approve your request, okay? So you will just write like, I want to involve myself into your offer, you know, something nice like that, and click on the request offer. This is going to happen in less than like 20 hours. Sometimes it can happen in like 1 or 2 minutes if the people who make these are online, because basically they just want to sell this product and there's no reason to like, I don't know, to not approve your request. So you don't have to worry about it. But what can we do with this? We want to sell these as many as possible. So how can we actually do it, and how are we going to attract a lot of people? Where to get a lot of that traffic? Well, here's the thing. When you go over to YouTube and you type this in, how to create an ebook, you will get a lot of these, okay? You will get a lot of these videos, which are really good. And these guys like explain what to do and how to create an ebook for free. And people who are watching this, they are genuinely interested on how to make ebooks, right? So when they type how to create an ebook, they actually want to create that and they actually want to make money with it, or just to write an ebook for themselves. Now, the latter is like rare because the majority of the people want to make money with these ebooks, and these people are watching these videos. And for example, if this person puts something in the description, people are going to click on it. So here's what you can do. You can make yourself a YouTube account. And don't worry, you don't need like to be monetized. You don't need a lot of views. You need like just simple 1 or 2,000 views. That can be accumulated pretty quickly, okay? 1 or 2,000 views is enough for us to get the money with this. So basically what you can do is you can just go over to Google and you can just type in OBS Project, okay? Now obsproject.com is a software that's going to record your screen, okay? That's actually what I'm using right now to record this video. So what you can do is you can download this one for Windows, whatever, and then you can explain to the people how they can use this in order to generate the ebook. Now, you can just use your voice. You don't have to show your face. And this is the tool which is going to actually help us. This is why Google is making us money. So you will just search for Google ebook creator software. And sometimes there's going to be ads here. So I suggest that you skip those and find some blog post or article which is telling you about, for example, the 22 best ebook creation software in 2023. So you can see Canva is first on the list. And for example, you can just go and you can just record your screen using Canva in order to create an ebook, okay? So when you go on Canva, you have a lot of these ebook templates, okay? You can just type an ebook, and all of these templates, well, the majority are for free, okay? These with Crown, you have to pay for them. But for example, this editable book template, this one, for example, it is for free. You can just preview it. You can see that's the whole ebook, and you can customize this template. Now, it is important that you do all these steps while you record yourself, okay? Because that way you're gonna post that on YouTube and people are gonna see what are you doing. Now, it is important that you just familiarize yourself with Canva so you know how to drag, how to change the text, the color, you know, that's easy to do. Canva is pretty simple, and you can just go and show the people how you make an ebook. But of course, when you're done with the video, the most important part is that you put something in the description, okay? So you need to put it inside. For example, let's take a look at this person. 5 best ebook creators, and most certainly he has something here. You can see he just put some links, and for example, if anyone clicks on it, you can see here, here, and here, he will get a commission. And that's exactly what you are getting from this, okay? So for each one of those sales, you can generate anywhere from $8.5 to $132. That's why I say that you only need like 1 or 2,000 views on your videos, because there's a lot of money per each one of these sales. That's why it is so easy. And you don't need like money from YouTube, you don't need money from Google AdSense, you just need the traffic that this keyword is generating. Now, of course, this is only one option. If you search through these offers on Warrior Plus, you will see that there are a lot of these. So you just have to create a strategy around that, and that's going to bring you the money, all right? It is pretty easy. You just have to apply yourself. You have to invest a bit of your time, a bit of your work, and the money is going to come. Now go out there, take the action, guys, and I'll catch you.